Did you know some daily habits are secretly making you look older? Wrinkles, sagging skin, and tired eyes aren't just about aging, they're about lifestyle. But don't worry, you can reverse the damage before it's too late. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on staying youthful and healthy. From skipping sunscreen to poor posture, these 6 ugly aging habits could be adding years to your appearance. Stick around, because I'll show you simple fixes that can help you look and feel younger starting today. Let's get into it. Number 1. Neglecting your skin. Neglecting your skin is one of the fastest ways to accelerate aging, making you look older than you actually are. Your skin is constantly exposed to environmental stressors like UV rays, pollution, and harsh weather, and without proper care, it begins to show signs of premature aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping sunscreen. Sun exposure breaks down collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for keeping your skin firm and youthful. Over time, this leads to sagging skin, uneven tone, and deep wrinkles. Even on cloudy days, UV rays penetrate the skin, causing irreversible damage. Another common mistake is failing to moisturize. As we age, our skin naturally loses moisture, making it dry and dull. Without proper hydration, fine lines become more visible, and the skin loses its natural glow. Many people also overlook the importance of proper cleansing. Washing your face too much can strip away natural oils, causing irritation and redness, while not cleansing enough leads to clogged pores, acne, and a rough texture. Additionally, using harsh skincare products with alcohol, sulfates, or artificial fragrances can weaken the skin barrier, leading to increased sensitivity and premature aging. To fix these issues, the first step is to apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even if you're indoors. Protecting your skin from the sun is the most effective way to prevent premature aging. Next, keeping your skin hydrated is essential. A good moisturizer containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides helps maintain elasticity and keeps the skin looking plump and youthful. Establishing a consistent skincare routine that includes gentle cleansing, proper hydration, and sun protection is key to maintaining a youthful appearance. Avoiding bad habits like sleeping with makeup on, using harsh soaps, or neglecting hydration will also help preserve your skin's health. Taking care of your skin isn't just about looking good, it's about keeping it strong, healthy, and resilient as you age. Small daily habits can make a huge difference in how your skin looks and feels in the long run. Number 2. Poor posture. Poor posture is one of the most overlooked factors that contribute to an older appearance. Slouching, hunching your shoulders, and constantly looking down at your phone can make you look tired, weak, and older than you actually are. Over time, bad posture affects your spine alignment, leading to chronic back pain, stiffness, and even a permanent hunchback look. Poor posture also reduces lung capacity, making breathing more difficult, which in turn lowers your energy levels and makes you feel fatigued. Another major consequence is the development of tech neck, a condition caused by constantly looking down at screens, leading to deep neck wrinkles and sagging skin. This not only affects your appearance, but also creates tension in your shoulders and upper back, resulting in frequent headaches and discomfort. A slouched posture can even affect your confidence. Studies show that people with good posture appear more confident, assertive, and youthful, while those who constantly slouch seem less energetic and less capable. Fixing your posture requires conscious effort and simple lifestyle changes. One of the best ways to correct poor posture is by strengthening your core and back muscles through exercises like planks, yoga, and wall angels. These exercises help maintain a straight spine and prevent your shoulders from rounding forward. Being mindful of your posture throughout the day is crucial. When sitting, keep your feet flat on the ground, your back straight, and your shoulders relaxed. If you work at a desk, adjust your chair and computer screen to eye level to avoid slouching. Holding your phone at eye level instead of looking down can also prevent unnecessary strain on your neck. Practicing daily stretching exercises, such as shoulder rolls and chest openers, helps release tension and improve flexibility. Developing the habit of standing and walking tall with your shoulders pulled back instantly makes you look more youthful and confident. Making these small adjustments can have a significant impact on both your physical health and overall appearance. By fixing poor posture, you not only improve your well-being, but also present yourself as a stronger, healthier, and more youthful version of yourself. 3. Not drinking enough water. Not drinking enough water is one of the most common yet harmful habits that contribute to premature aging and an overall unhealthy appearance. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining skin elasticity, flushing out toxins, and keeping your body functioning at its best. When you don't drink enough water, your skin becomes dry, dull, and more prone to wrinkles. Dehydration reduces the skin's ability to retain moisture, making fine lines and sagging more noticeable. Without proper hydration, your skin loses its natural glow and starts looking lifeless. Another major consequence of dehydration is the buildup of toxins in the body. Water helps flush out waste products and supports kidney function. When your body doesn't get enough water, toxins accumulate, leading to breakouts, puffiness, and uneven skin tone. Dehydration also affects energy levels, causing fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Many people mistake thirst for hunger, leading them to overeat, which can result in weight gain and other health issues. Lack of water also impacts digestion, leading to constipation and bloating, which can make you feel sluggish and uncomfortable. To fix this habit, start by making water consumption a priority throughout your day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, but increase intake if you are physically active or live in a hot climate. Carrying a water bottle with you at all times can serve as a reminder to stay hydrated. If plain water feels boring, try adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges can also contribute to hydration. Reducing caffeine and alcohol intake is important since both can dehydrate the body. Setting reminders on your phone or using a water tracking app can help you stay consistent with your hydration goals. Making a habit of drinking water first thing in the morning and before meals can improve digestion and skin health. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain a youthful appearance and feel more energized. By drinking enough water daily, you can enhance your skin's glow, boost overall health, and slow down the signs of aging. Number 4. Lack of sleep. Lack of sleep is one of the fastest ways to accelerate aging and negatively impact overall health. Sleep is essential for the body's repair and regeneration, and without enough rest, both your appearance and internal health suffer. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone, which breaks down collagen and leads to premature wrinkles, sagging skin, and a dull complexion. Dark circles and puffy eyes become more noticeable, making you look older and more exhausted. Inadequate sleep also reduces the skin's ability to retain moisture, causing dryness and an uneven skin tone. Beyond appearance, poor sleep affects brain function, memory, and concentration, making daily tasks feel more difficult. Sleep deprivation weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses and slowing down the body's ability to heal. It also disrupts metabolism and hormone balance, increasing the risk of weight gain and cravings for unhealthy foods. People who consistently get less than 6 hours of sleep per night have a higher risk of developing chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. To fix this habit, prioritize creating a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Establishing a relaxing nighttime routine, such as reading, meditation, or deep breathing exercises, can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed, as blue light from phones and computers interferes with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet also improves sleep quality. Limiting caffeine in the afternoon and avoiding heavy meals before bed can prevent sleep disturbances. Regular exercise during the day helps promote better sleep, but intense workouts should be avoided close to bedtime. If stress or anxiety is keeping you awake, journaling or practicing gratitude can help calm the mind. Prioritizing sleep is not just about looking younger, but also about feeling healthier and more energized. By improving sleep habits, you can enhance your skin, boost your mood, and support long-term health, ensuring a youthful and vibrant life. Number 5. Eating too much sugar and processed food. Eating too much sugar and processed food is one of the biggest contributors to premature aging, weight gain, and overall poor health. Sugar accelerates aging through a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for keeping skin firm and youthful. This process weakens the skin's structure, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and dullness. Excess sugar consumption also causes inflammation, which can result in acne, redness, and puffiness, making you look older and tired. Processed foods, which are often loaded with preservatives, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, further contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. These foods lack essential nutrients that keep the skin, hair, and body healthy, leading to brittle nails, dry skin, and premature graying of hair. High sugar intake also disrupts blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes, mood swings, and increased cravings for more unhealthy foods. Additionally, consuming too many processed foods increases the risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic health conditions that accelerate the aging process. One of the biggest dangers of processed foods is their addictive nature, making it difficult to stop eating them once they become a regular part of your diet. To fix this habit, start by gradually reducing sugar intake and replacing processed foods with whole, nutrient-dense options. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or fruit instead of refined sugar, and choose whole grains over processed carbohydrates. Prioritizing fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats will provide essential vitamins and antioxidants that protect the skin and body from premature aging. Drinking more water instead of sugary drinks can help flush out toxins and improve hydration, leading to a healthier complexion. Reading food labels and avoiding products with added sugars, trans fats, and artificial ingredients can help make better food choices. Preparing meals at home with fresh ingredients ensures that you are in control of what goes into your body. By cutting down on sugar and processed foods, you can slow down aging, boost your energy levels, and improve both your appearance and overall well-being. Making better food choices today will lead to a longer, healthier, and more youthful life. Number 6. Not managing stress. Not managing stress is one of the most damaging habits that can make you look and feel older. Chronic stress accelerates aging by increasing the production of cortisol, a hormone that breaks down collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a tired appearance. Prolonged stress also weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses, infections, and slower wound healing. Mentally, stress causes fatigue, anxiety, and brain fog, making it difficult to focus and reducing overall productivity. It also contributes to poor sleep quality, which further accelerates aging by preventing the body from repairing itself during rest. Unmanaged stress can lead to emotional eating, causing weight gain and an increased risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Stress also triggers inflammation in the body, leading to acne breakouts, redness, and a dull complexion, making you look older than your actual age. Many people resort to unhealthy coping mechanisms such as smoking, drinking alcohol, or overeating, which only worsen the aging process. To fix this habit, it is crucial to incorporate stress management techniques into daily life. Practicing deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga can help reduce cortisol levels and promote relaxation. Engaging in physical activities such as walking, jogging, or strength training releases endorphins, which act as natural stress relievers and improve mood. Prioritizing sleep, maintaining a balanced diet, and staying hydrated can also help the body cope with stress more effectively. Taking breaks throughout the day, spending time in nature, and connecting with loved ones can improve mental well-being and provide a sense of calm. Journaling or practicing gratitude can shift focus away from stressors and promote a positive mindset. Setting realistic goals and learning to say no to unnecessary obligations can prevent feeling overwhelmed. Seeking professional help, such as therapy or counseling, can also be beneficial in managing long-term stress. By actively reducing stress levels, you can slow down the aging process, improve your overall health, and maintain a youthful appearance. Managing stress is not just about looking younger, it is about feeling happier, healthier, and living a more balanced life. Conclusion. Aging is a natural process, but bad habits can speed it up, making you look and feel older than you truly are. Neglecting your skin, poor posture, dehydration, lack of sleep, excessive sugar consumption, and unmanaged stress all contribute to premature aging. The good news is that small, consistent changes can reverse the damage and restore vitality. Prioritizing skincare, hydration, nutrition, sleep, posture, and stress management will not only improve your appearance but also boost overall health. Aging gracefully is about making smart choices every day. By breaking these harmful habits, you can maintain a youthful glow and live a longer, healthier life.